If you can make these 3 different animal sounds, good news, you are opening up your voice to all the possibilities. But since it's a little higher, just stop your crying. I'm gonna go to the cat, sort of in the middle. Meow, 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 meow. We never learned we've been here before. Hello, my name is Olivia Peck. I'm your local millennial voice teacher. I've been teaching singing for about 10 years now. I learn different things about the voice almost every day, but what I also learn is how to better explain things. A lot of you have heard the terms chest voice, mixed voice, head voice, and that's all well and good, but sometimes we need a good example. Building awareness of our voice is really the key to knowing what we're capable of, and even something silly like an animal noise or a cartoon voice can really hammer it home. I'm going to talk about the 3 different animal sounds today: the cow or frog, either one, the kitty cat, and the owl. Those different animal sounds will open up your voice in 3 different main ways, okay? So instead of using chest voice for your low range, I'm going to refer to that as the cow or the ribbit. Shout out my students, Aria and Heather. They helped me come up with those animals. For your mid-range, I highly recommend using the meow kitty cat noise. And for your upper range and head voice, that floaty falsetto-y sound, I highly recommend thinking of a hooting owl. I'm going to give you some examples, and I just wanted to let you know that if you're new here, welcome. I go live pretty frequently here on YouTube if you have singing questions, so feel free to leave a comment and I will answer your question next time I go live. Hit the notification bell and then you'll know when I'm doing my little Q&As. And of course, if you'd like to take a singing lesson with me, uncover your baseline, your range, your voice type, see if there's a way to sing in the style that you really love, I would love to help you do that. It's what I do all day, every day. I pride myself on finding people's strengths. I will meet you where you're at. You do not need to know how to read music or anything. We'll find some systems that work for you. Even if you're watching this video at a later date, be sure to check out my website, oliviapeck.com. Sign up for a voice lesson if you'd like to do that. And there's other little offerings on my website. Also, I do free consultations if you just want to see if it's a good fit. Okay, let's get on with the video. What's a really common song that we can use here to use our animal noises? My students and I have been loving the song Sign of the Times by Harry Styles because a lot of us saw the movie Project Hail Mary and the song is in it. So let's use that song. It starts off, just stop your crying, it's a sign of the times. This particular part, it's not in my low range. Just stop your crying, it's a sign of the times. That would be full cow, moo, ribbit. But since it's a little higher, just stop your crying, I'm going to go to the cat, sort of in the middle. Meow, 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 meow. Welcome to the final. Let's go to a higher portion. We never learned we've been here before. Ooh. Head voice, higher set portion. I'm going to think of an owl. Really floaty, nice and easy. We never learned we've been here before. Now the thing about the ooh sound, you can very safely bring that head voice all the way down to give it more of that warm tone. So let's say I wanted to do just stop your crying in a more head voice, then I could think of the owl for that too. Ooh, 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 ooh. The only one I would caution against is bringing like the cow. Moo, 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 moo. That heavy chest voice, I wouldn't bring that high, but you can bring that meow, meow. You can bring that kitty cat sound pretty high and pretty low, or the owl pretty high, pretty low, kind of throughout. The cow and the ribbit, that kind of lives in the lower range. And some people can bring that heaviness, that weight up pretty high. I would caution against it. A lot of people have limits with that. Not a lot of ribbit in that song. Whenever I think of chest voice, I instantly think of Lady Gaga because she uses it a lot. A lot of older musical theater does. Life is a cabaret, ribbit. Life is a, I want your loving and I want your revenge. Yeah, I would say that's more ribbity. How riveting. I'm sorry. I am a millennial, so millennial cringe kind of is most of my personality. Here we go. I want you ugly. I want you disease. You're gonna think, moo. I want you ugly. Or ribbit. Ribbit. I want you ugly. I want you disease. Let's try it just for fun as more of a cat. Meow, 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 meow. Instantly changes the sound, right? Meow, 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 meow. A little brighter, a little lighter. Now let's try it with the owl. Ooh, 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 ooh. You don't have to keep the owl up high. In fact, when you think of bringing that ooh, warm, ooh, head voice down, you think of artists like Billie Eilish. Don't cry, ocean eyes. Okay, that's bringing that head voice ooh down. So if I were to think of artists that really bring out a certain animal, I would say Sam Smith, Billie Eilish. They're more life, they're more hooting owl. Stay with me. Ooh, 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 are you? Ooh, 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 ooh. Artists that bring out a lot of the kitty cat would be Dangerous Woman. K-pop, a lot of pop. I'm sorry I can't be perfect. Meow, 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 meow. Disney songs. Love is an open door. Tomorrow, tomorrow, I love ya. Tomorrow. Artists that really bring the chest voice would be like Teddy Swims, Adele, Amy Winehouse, Jennifer Hudson. Anyway, I hope this video opens up some possibilities for you. If you have any questions about singing, feel free to leave them in the comments. Okay, see you next time. Goodbye from me and Mr. Tony. You want to say bye, Tony? Say bye, Tony. Smile. Bye.